the launch was amazing. I think Scooch is in front. Someone's gone. Oh, BMS Thomas was in front.
You'd be mistaken if you were new to FPV or even around for a few years and you thought, man, this flight has to be in fast forward. But no, this is the actual speed that these pilots are flying. This is the Australian champion for 2025. We're going to have an interview with him in just a minute. And this is the final race that we are watching. An amazing event over here in Australia. So if you've ever wanted to become a better pilot, you're thinking about getting into racing, and there's some pretty interesting tips that we're going to get from this pro pilot here, 17-year-old from Australia, absolutely crushing it. Stay tuned because it's time to interview him, and you're going to learn whether you want to go to the races, what you can expect, and also how to step up your game and maybe one day have some laps like this of your own.
He's going to get an easy ace here. He's going to win. He's going to win. This is it. And Charlie's second as well, which is freaking awesome. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And send it. Yes! Yeah! Woo! Yes!
G'day! If you want to know how to be the fastest racing pilot, this is the video that you need to watch. We are with the 2025 Australian champions, back-to-back champions actually, 2 times in a row, Wilf. Congratulations, first and foremost, he's throwing his quad on the ground. Hold it up for people. Congratulations. How does it feel after all this?
Still kind of speechless. I'm happy. I got it for a 2-time, and this time the level this year just jumped in the top pilots. Okay. Like last year, I wouldn't say it was cruisy, but it was not this stressful. From like literally the second round of eliminations, pressure was on. What would you say to anybody who's watching this and they think, hey, can I go FPV flying? Can I go along to a race event? What would you say? Well, there is always, most likely, especially in Australia and worldwide, there's they call them chapters, which are the groups that host the races. So for me, my local one is FPV Rebels in Brisbane, and they host monthly meets. Everyone's super friendly, like the community, so helpful. Like when I was getting into it just over 3 years ago. Yes, so 3 years, and that's how long it took, and now you are here. Yeah, 3 years. Okay. Everyone was super helpful. I was having drone problems. People like Scott Tomlinson, they'd help me with gear, and then all these other people. Like even for this event, I'm still getting help by people who are in the competition to win it. Like J-Web, he helped build all my drones. Screecher was at the thing, practicing with me before, teach me, I don't know, give me some advice and all sorts. I'm just gonna, Gabe, do you have to run? Because I know he asked, do you have to run? Because you said you got 1 minute. All right, IQ. Okay. Great racing, great flying, hey, see you, Gabe. Great person. See you, Gabe. Another absolute champion there, heading off. Like you were just saying, like that's the supportive community we had right here. Another world champion over there. Yep. Congratulating, helping do these filming. So, all right, let's get to the nitty gritty. What are some race tips? Have fun is the biggest one I can say, because when you're having fun, pressure's gone, and just you're having a good time. You wouldn't care where you place, but most likely, if you're having fun, you're going to place higher. And what would you say is something you struggle with the most then? So what's something that you think, oh, this part I really find? Like, is it technicality? Is it something actually flying the drone? Is it dealing with pressure in the den? Like, what's the hardest part for you? And being a world champion here, or Australian champion, what is the hardest part for you? Hardest part has to be nerves. Mm-hmm. The nerves, they creep in, they make you feel sick. You push through it, like the reward. No matter where you place, people are going to be happy, you're going to be happy, you're having fun, and it's not like if you don't win, you're still going to have a good time. Is that where I saw you do a false start? Was that the nerves just there, the jittering? Okay, yes, that was when I was comparing that. My hand on the thing, I swear the tone for the first finals, it took forever, and my hand just slipped and it knocked my throttle, and then I got a false start. Yes, but it didn't affect you. You brought home the bacon. I did. What advice would you have to a medium speed pilot, somebody who's already racing, but they want to take their flying to the next level? Get your friends and fast pilots in your country or whoever you're with to be honest with your flying. Like when I was getting into it, I had Gabe. He was nice, but he also gave me some hard truths about my flying, which has helped me learn where I needed to improve and get that next step. Constructive criticism. And critical criticism. Taking on advice is one of the biggest things. No, they're not having a go at you, but I guess maybe being open and vulnerable too, to say, hey, just tell me what I need to hear. Yeah. Like tell me the truth. You're right. Oh, there's no point someone telling you, oh no, you're doing great. you got nothing to improve on if you yourself know you can improve it. You're like, I'd rather someone tell me where I'm messing up or doing something wrong so I can fix it.
Be the best that you can
Yeah.
be, absolutely. All right, well, just a little short video, some bonus tips if you're in the Brisbane area. We should give a shout out to the Rebels. So
FPV Rebels.
FPV Rebels, go check them out. That's like, I'm in Brisbane as well.
Yeah.
That's an amazing club. They put this on here as well. Wouldn't
They built
be
all the
here.
gates, everything.
Your dad welded.
My dad welded
all
everything.
these. So
Yeah.
shout out to Andy right there. I'm going to put your socials down below, and I'm probably going to roll some DVR that will make your brain explode. You've still got to email me that DVR
I'll
in a
send
Google
it to you.
drink,
Yeah.
a Google Drive link,
sort it
but very, very fast.
Yeah,
so
sweet.
nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And we might see you next time here.
Yeah,
I'm
we will.
sure I'll see you around anyway.
Oh, I'm
because
sure,
now
yeah.
that-
Come to some Rebel meets
Yes,
or whatever.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Too easy.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Wilf.
Have a good one.
Follow you. We'll check you out.
Yeah, easy. My Instagram is _IamWilf. My YouTube is WilfsFPV.
All right, I'm going to put that on the screen. Go and subscribe to that.